It's me, Cora. Happy birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na kaibigan. Hopefully, magkita-kita naman tayo ulit ng mga the originals ng 8081 batch ng NES. Okay? Say happy birthday and I love you always. Bye!
Hi friend, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health, happy life, at saka happy love life. Sana magkita na ulit tayo. It's been a long time, my friend. I miss you. Bye.
Blessed birthday, Ninang Cecil from Canada! Wow! Sexy at 60. How to be you po? Anyway, for sure, happy ka today dahil sa bonggang-bonggang pasabog ni Harvey and your future daughter-in-law. God bless you. I love you. I miss you. And oops! Birthday greetings also coming from your BFF Mayet and Kuya Boy. Bye!
Sa taong malapit sa akin at sa taong nagkaroon ng mahalagang parte ng aking buhay, nais kitang batiin una sa lahat ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana ay maging masaya ka, kumare, sa pagdiriwang ng iyong 60th birthday. Number lang yan, pero alam kong batang-bata ka pang tingnan kahit matagal na tayong hindi nagkikita. Ako ay andito ako, kumare, sa work at naka-break lang. May 10 minutes pa ako. Alam mo naman ang buhay ko, laging busy buhay dito sa Canada. Pero sana one day makapunta kayo ni Harvey dito. Sana sama-sama na tayo uli. Ay nako, kumare, hindi ko nahahabaan itong aking message at patapos na tong break ko. At ang hirap din palang mag-video kasi nakaka-anim na take na ako, nakatawa ako dito sa itsura ko. Sige na, Mariko, enjoy na sana kahit sa Pilipinas magkita din tayo one day. Wish ko lang na sana palagi tayong malakas para makaalaga pa tayo ng ating mga apo. O sige na, Mariko, enjoy your day. I love you. Maligayang kaarawan ulit. Sana humabol tong video ko. So, ingat kayo dyan sa Dubai. Abu Dhabi pala. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello, Tita Cecil. Magandang araw sa inyo dyan lahat sa Abu Dhabi. Kumusta na? Kumusta mo kay partner? At gusto kitang batiin ng happy 60th birthday. Dual citizen ka na rin. I wish you all the best, all the happiness, and good health. Sana magkita-kita tayong muli sa mga darating pang araw. Enjoy your day. And again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Cecil. Namiss na kita. Ingat ka lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Cecil. We love you and miss you.
God
bless.
Happy 60th birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Nancy. I know this is your day, and I know that God will, I'm praying that God will continue to bless you, more years to come, more years to celebrate. This age only number, and I know that God bigay pa ni God yung anong gusto mo and what's your heart's desire. And we miss you, Nancy, and we love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mother! I miss you so much. Enjoy your 60th birthday, and thank you for everything, sa support, sa kindness na pinakita mo sa amin, sa support, sa love, ganun din sa mga advices mo. Maraming salamat. I really miss you being my vacuum partner. And syempre bilang my Mother Earth, I will never forget yung mga advices mo sa akin. And
Happy birthday!
ang dami mong naitulong sa akin. And I'm so grateful na naging part ka ng life ko. And until now, you're always checking on us. And maraming I love you. I miss you so
We
much.
wish you, Rina, enjoy your day, in your 60th birthday.
Enjoy our gift.
We'll see you. And God will provide. God, perfect time.
Say, Gia, we love you. Say hi, Gia.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Lola.
Lola.
Cecil.
miss you.
Say, I love you.
Love you. Thank you.
Give a heart.
I'm so dirty.
Okay. If your heart is dirty, it's okay. Okay.
Okay.
To my loving sister, happy birthday. I love you so much. Ang wish ko para sa birthday mo ay maging masaya ka, enjoy your day, and also I'm praying for your long life, good health, and true happiness, at matupad ang lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. God bless you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tiche! Sana masaya ka sa iyong 18th birthday. Ay, 60th na pala!
Happy birthday, Tiche! God bless!
Tiche, ito ang aking alay sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Tiche! Today you are celebrating your 60th birthday. Just want you to know na ikaw ang aming inspiration at ikaw yung aming strength din kasi tumatayo ka na second mom namin. And yung responsibility mo as bali our eldest, sobrang nagampanan mo. Sobra mong nagagampanan. You are so wonderful. You are amazing. And alam mo na palagi ka namin na-miss. And we just want to greet you. Happy birthday! We love you. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Tiche! Tiche, thank you for being supportive and for your unconditional love for our family. Thank you for everything. Wish you all the best on your birthday. May God shower you more blessings and many more birthdays to come. We love you. Again, happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Ninang. Happy birthday. Welcome to Sweet 60. Dual citizen na. We wish lang ako sa'yo na good health and patnubayan ka palalo ng Panginoon sa bawat araw ng iyong buhay. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa iyo sa walang sawang suporta and sa walang sawang pagpaalala, sa pag-inspire sa akin, sa pagbutihin sa aking career and sa health ko din. Yun lang.
Happy birthday! We love you, Lola Tiche! Sana lagi kang healthy! Heart, guys!
God bless you.
Bye! Happy birthday!